Hey, scientists, grab those lab coats and goggles as today we explore and investigate the different characteristics of the sun. Let's get into it with our essential questions. Now, let's talk about our essential question. Remember, essential questions in science and in different lessons can help us think about what we already know about a topic, and it helps us connect to new ideas that we're going to learn today to help us produce a new thought about the topic. Our essential questions will be focused on our different science topics. So look for keywords. In those keywords, the minute you see them and recognize them, I want you to think, what do I already know about this topic? Once you have that in your mind, you want to look at the question again to see what we're trying to answer today or what are we trying to answer about that topic. It's important to remember that an essential question is like a goal as well. By the end of our science lesson, you should confidently be able to answer the essential question. Let's go over our essential question for today. Read the essential questions together as a class. For our activity today, we are going to be playing something called the fly swatter game. I'm going to show you an answer or a problem in the middle of the board. The problems that appear will have answers floating all around them. Your job is to find the correct answer as fast as possible and get your hand on the answer. If you get your hand on the answer quick enough, then you get to stay at the board. If you are not the first one to get your hand on the board quick enough, you go take a seat and the next person comes up. To win the game, you want to stand the longest and beat out as many classmates as you can. It can be your time at any moment, so make sure you pay attention. And when you're not playing, make sure you take time to look at the board to see where the answers are so you can help find them faster when it's your time up there. The first one is going to be making a sun model. You'll be given different materials by your teacher. You are going to draw and use these given materials to design a model of the sun. I'll show you an example in a minute. You're going to need to explain what the sun is and give examples of how the sun provides light and thermal energy to Earth. Remember, light energy is something that provides us a way to see, and thermal energy is a type of heat that we get from the sun. After you create your sun, you'll get a chance to answer and reflect on some of the questions in your student journal based on your exploration. Let me show you what one of those examples sun moons look like. Here's an example of what you might do with the materials you're given. Use the references materials provided by your teacher to research and learn all about the sun. You may get magazines, articles, you get a chance to use your laptop, all these different resources to learn different facts about the sun. You're going to fill out the sun graphic organizer in your student journal. I'll show you what that looks like in a second. You'll write the word sun in the center of the circle, and you'll think of 4 interesting facts or characteristics that you learned about the sun so far, and you'll write them down there. You'll glue the sun graphic organizer inside of your science notebook after your teacher checks it, and you're all done. Let me show you what that graphic organizer looks like. After collecting your information, you'll record it on your graphic organizer like you see here. Remember to write the word sun in the middle and your facts in the different parts of the sun. Good luck, scientists, and I'll see you guys soon.